video, I'm going to show you how you can analyze your data with the Copilot. Now, I have this pile of data and I have approximately 9,000 rows here of the sales of this company. Now, I would first of all, I would like to find out what our top item is. Now, our items, the different items that we have are under the category of type. And so we have rental, access, delivery, rental, fuel, and that type of thing. And our sales are basically the amount. And so what we're going to do is we're going to hit on our Copilot here. And so I am going to say, what is the highest amount for, so I'm going to write which type. So we're using the type as the thing for our type of rental. So which type has the highest total amount. And so we're going to press our little arrow. And so it's thinking. And so to give it a chance, you need to reference the names of the columns in the data, as opposed to saying what item did we sell the most of. It has no idea where you're starting from, so you start from things that you can reference in the columns. And so what we have here is, so based on the sales data, the type with the highest amount of rental in the total breakdown is $1.4 million. Would you like to see it in a breakdown of totals, types, or a chart? Just let me know. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go compare rental totals to other types. And so now I'm going to go with the arrow and I'm going to go again. And there it's thinking again. And so here we have it broken down. I'll see if I can bring it over a little bit so you can see it. So we have our rental is 1.4, and then we have our resale is 900,000, and our re-rental is 119,000. So now we have more things that we can do. We can compare rental totals by salesperson. So let's look at that one. So we're going to press the green arrow again. It's a big pile of data here. Okay, so the highest rental is sorted from highest to lowest, and there we go. And it's all there for you. So if you ask if you ask the Copilot correctly, basing it on titles of your columns, it can produce very good data for your needs for data analysis. So that's how you effectively use the Copilot to analyze your data. Please subscribe.